Okay, what I want to show you here is just there's lots and lots of models online about how to use computer models to estimate what's going to happen in the future when different features of the Earth's atmosphere, things like albedo that we're going to learn about. So when I go to these things, I thought it might be useful for you to see. I haven't used this before, so I don't know how it works. So if you can see the process that I go through, maybe that will help you to on your own. So this is about light from the sun warms our planet. Earth radiates heat out into the frigid, the cold vacuum of space. And there's a balance between this warming and cooling that determines the temperature of our home world. So what if scenarios? The slider on the right controls Earth's albedo. So what is albedo? Well, bright surfaces like snow have a high albedo, forested regions are darker. So how would it affect? So his albedo is 50%, half and half, half bright, half dark. Overall, Earth's average albedo is about 31. So let's make it 31, like normal. That's what it is. This is the brightness of the sun. So we could change how bright the sun is. Now the sun isn't really to change in its brightness until one day it explodes. So I'm not too interested in that. This model has one extreme simplification. It assumes Earth has no atmosphere. So this is clearly unrealistic. Earth's atmosphere has a blanket. Okay, so what we're just seeing, light from the sun reflecting off of the Earth. Now, I can pick a surface, so this is quite useful. Let's say that the whole of the Earth is forest. That's going to make an albedo of 15%. And what's that going to do to my temperature of the Earth? Temperature of the Earth is going to be negative 17 degrees Celsius. Why so cold? Because there's no atmosphere blanketing us. Okay, but then I can make this fresh snow or ice. Even colder because now all that sunlight's getting radiated out there. So what are the limitations of this model? What works, what doesn't? Here's some other things you can try. You don't need to know, I mean, this is not, you're not doing physics, but I want you to think about what is albedo and how can albedo change?